Welcome to the new RECON ITR version 26.0, available now for update and purchase at SUMURI.com. In this episode of our ongoing tutorial series, we're taking a look at global search in RECON ITR Triage. Starting from the RECON ITR main interface, we'll head to Load Case to open a previously run Triage case. Click Browse to point RECON ITR to your Triage case folder. Then click Load. Once the case loads, you're presented with the results screen. Your Triage plugins are listed in the left-hand navigation, each one showing a count of how many records are available. Plugins with no results show no number. At the top of any plugin result, there's a search bar for filtering within that plugin. Here in Basic Information, searching for the word time filters the results list in real time. Only matching records remain visible. And in the Item Details pane in the lower right, any keyword hits are highlighted directly in the record, so you can see exactly where the match appears. That's useful for a single plugin. But what if you need to search across multiple plugins at once? That's where Global Search comes in. When you open Global Search, you'll first choose which plugins to search. You can select all plugins or use the Select Plugins drop-down to target only the ones relevant to your search. With your plugin selected, enter your keyword and click Apply Filters. Here we're searching for .png, and immediately we get a filtered list of results from Chrome downloads containing that file extension. Any plugin that returns results appears as its own table in the results view, stacked and ready to review. If you enter a new search term, click Apply Filters again to refresh. To bookmark results, you can select all filtered records from a specific table using the bookmark checkbox at the top of that table, or use the Bookmark All and Remove All Bookmarks buttons at the top to manage your entire filtered result set at once. And clear filters will wipe the results and search terms. But keep your selected plugins in place so you're ready to run your next search without starting over. That's Global Search in RECON ITR version 26.0. Cross-plugin keyword searching built directly into your Triage workflow. Follow us for more tutorials and reach out at SUMURI.com